And good morning to everyone. It is Friday. The weekend is here. Welcome. I'm your friend Scotty Ray, and this is Scotty Ray's Weather. If this is your first time joining us, welcome. I hope you'll like it and join us back several more times as we'll have live updates coming at 8:30 this morning with all your news and headlines. Severe weather is expected overnight. We hope you'll pay attention. We'll be putting out more alerts on this, and where it is, we're at a 2 out of a 5. We'll get into the exact places where everything is here in a moment. One thing that I wanted to address overnight, a horrible accident in the area. As you're waking up, probably most everyone doesn't know this. There is a lot. Clark County Hot Topics put this out somewhere around 3 a.m. And let's go to their page. Again, this is Clark County Hot Topics. An 18-wheeler at the Pachuta exit ran off the road. Horrible accident. There is a death involved with this as we pull this up. This is the wreck. And let's...
As you can see, flames are shooting above I-59 right now. If you will.
We'll pull back here and start this. This is somewhere around 3 o'clock this morning. And again, thank you to Clark County Hot Topics for this. Apparently, the 18-wheeler ran off the road in between the two bridges. That's I-59 at the 126 overpass. That's Highway 18 right here below where this truck fell. And it was a 53-foot 18-wheeler. There is, again, one casualty involved in this. Sad. Keep the family in your prayers as this continues to go. It goes in and gets closer on the wreck here.
So it looks like they're rerouting traffic up on top of the bridge.
And I think at this point, most of the road should be open. This began at 3 a.m. this morning, and most of that should be cleaned up at this point. But if you're going through that area, keep that in mind. It could still be something. I know that they had that was roughly 3 hours ago. It could be one lane of traffic at this point. I hadn't spoke to anyone yet, but with it being so early in the morning. But prayers for that family. We don't know what happened. The last check there around 5, they were making sure that there were not anybody else involved in the wreck, believed to be only one person, and that person is deceased at this point. We assume that would be the truck driver. So prayers again for that family, no matter where they're from. Sad news as we have to report that this morning. Again, thank you to Clark County Hot Topics for sharing that for everyone this morning. Well, how are you as we get this day going? 71 as you're waking up right now as we head off to another day. Slight chance of showers today. And let's start talking a little bit of weather and see what the day has for us.
Your forecast is brought to you by EMEPA, your Touchstone Energy Cooperative.
Let's first get into radar this morning and show what's going on radar here of what we got, where we're going to. Right now, let's zoom in on Lauderdale County. There was a sprinkle or two earlier this morning here in Lauderdale County, mainly out, let's turn on some locations where everybody can see where we're at. Right out here by the Simmons Wright store. That's just moved into the Cuba, Alabama area. York, Alabama, you got some light showers. The rest of Lauderdale County right now all clear. But it has been a sprinkle or two across Lauderdale County. As we go south, we start seeing here Jasper County, a little bit of stuff moving in there to the Jasper General Hospital. As we go back over here into Smith County, we're showing some showers there at the Raleigh Courthouse. Nothing big, some showers there. As we get down, as we go to South Mississippi to the southwest of Laurel, Jones County, out to due west of Hattiesburg, we're showing showers here. Probably the heaviest that we got in the state right now, popping up right along in here, due north of Highway 98, west of Summerall at this point. Now, as we go back into Louisiana, different ball game. Alexandria, a lot of showers there. Due north of Beaumont, look at that, a lot of rain in there. So what does this mean for us? It means that we do get a chance of showers today. Not a big one today, but we do have that chance, a 40% chance of rain before 8 o'clock, and then just a smidgen of a chance after 8 o'clock today. We'll only get to 76 due to the rain cooling things off. Now, as we move back into tonight, a 20% chance of showers, and then we're going to get sunshine on Saturday, 83. We'll be back to the warm stuff. Now, let's switch some gears and look at my radar, and then we will look at what the National Weather Service tells us. Let's look at severe weather, what's lined out for today. Here we go. This is, let me turn this off where this makes a little bit more sense here in the big picture. This is light rain is all this is going to be for today. Now, this starts at El Paso, Texas, and goes all across, just follows the coastline all the way to Jacksonville there. This puts it right through the Meridian area in the southwest corner, all of Clark County. But again, this is light stuff. As you can see, the light rain making its way toward that little green line. That's what we've got today, and that's going to be the worst for what it is, 40% chance of showers. Now, let's look at day 2 of severe weather, which would be Saturday. Really not that much to it. It's going to be to the west of us near Jackson. We'll have sunshine in the Meridian area tomorrow. Now, Beaumont and them, they've got a bigger risk tomorrow. Houston area, nothing horrible. But now let's move into where we should have a little bit of concern with the weather. This is going to be Sunday afternoon into Sunday night as the sun goes down. This is going to stretch from Beaumont all the way to Gulfport, Mississippi, due north to Memphis, Tennessee. Now, this, as you get into our area here, all of Lauderdale, Kemper, Winston, Macon, everybody's included. This Hattiesburg, y'all are here with us too. And we stepped just across that state line is what we're looking at here. Livingston, York, y'all are included in this as well. Utah is just on the other side of the line. You're going to get some rain. That's an imaginary line in between Livingston and Utah for Sunday night in Demopolis. But still a chance right here on this line here for Utah and Demopolis. Y'all watch that. We go down through Gilberttown and these areas here as well. So severe weather is expected on Sunday night. Keep that in the back of your mind as you're planning your Sunday afternoon going into that dark time. Is a slight chance of possibility of a tornado. Not a huge chance, but a small chance with that. So that's kind of how that's shaping up with that. So we'll get back to that here in just a moment and tell you more about it. Let's pause a minute and talk about our friends out at the Piggly Wiggly. Joe's got a lot of great deals going on as they celebrate their 20th anniversary this year. That's what they've got going on. Great specials that you can take care of if you're looking for some fresh corn to cook. They've got it. $1.99 for that 3-pack of corn, fresh off the ear there. You can get the California oranges, $4.99 for a 4-pound bag. Those are great. Just sit around and eat them all afternoon. It's yellow zucchini squash. You can get that for $1.29 a pound. You can also get the bell peppers if you're going to be doing cooking for flavoring, 2 for $3. Multicolored, aren't they? The Starkist tuna. And Starkist is just a little bit better than the other brands that are out there. I'm telling you, it's good stuff. 79 cents for that 5-ounce can of that. Of course, the saltine crackers, $1 a box. Can't beat that. Ragu, if you want to whoop up a great, quick, easy meal. Ragu spaghetti sauce, $1.79 for that 24-ounce jar. And you can get the spaghetti noodles for 79 cents. Even better there. Dixie Crystal Sugar, $1.99 for that 4-pound bag. If you've got ice cream on your mind, 2 for $5. You can also get the blue plate for $2.99. And if you want to do some grilling on the grill this weekend, steaks, $11.99 for that New York strip, along with center court pork chops, $1.99. Great deals. Coca-Cola products and great deals on water as well. You'll find all of that at the Pig. Drop in to see Joe. I think most everybody knows Joe. And if you hadn't had that chance to meet Joe before, go out. You'll really be surprised at how great it here is in the Collinsville area there to get your groceries and things. All right, let's switch gears now and go into what the National Weather Service tells us of what we're going to have for the weekend, of what they've got compared to what here and there. All right, today as we go back and look at our record highs and lows, it was 92, 1987. Wow. Back in 1965, before I got here, it was 39 degrees on this date. Now, we'll probably start seeing these upper 30s for the record low set moving forward. That's what we've got on that. As we jump ahead, let's look here what we've got lined out for today. What the National Weather Service says: a mostly cloudy day. 76 is what we'll get with rain chances to the southwest of Meridian. Slight chance here, but as we get down into Jasper County in these areas here, it looks like we've got a bigger chance down to Brookhaven. As we step across the Bama line there over to Demopolis, a slight chance of showers taking in York and Livingston and those areas. Cloudy for the most part as we look at that. Now let's move forward. Here's exactly what we were showing on my system just a moment ago, the severe weather that is lined up for the weekend. Now, this is Sunday afternoon. Severe storms are going to be possible with it. Damaging wind gusts of up to 60 miles an hour associated with these storms. Hail, quarter size, and then tornadoes are possible. Not saying that there will be, but they are possible. Now, as you jump across the state line, it's going to be a thin line right across here taking in York, and then from there to Demopolis to Tuscaloosa will drop to a 1. But right there on that state line over to York and Livingston and these areas, you'll be in that 2 area with the Meridian side of Mississippi. So we'll watch it closely. That's all coming on Sunday evening into Sunday night. Here's a bigger picture there, and as you can see, that cuts just barely across that state line there. And all of the state of Mississippi has the chance of severe weather. As we look at temperatures over the next 10 days, here we go. It looks as though the Meridian area will stay kind of neutral of where we are. Out in Texas, it's starting to heat up, but due south right here across Louisiana, Mississippi, and mostly the most part of Alabama will remain the same. As we go to our 7-day forecast, here we go. Sunshine over the weekend, Saturday, that looks good. Clouds today, 76. We'll hit 82 tomorrow. 61, see those nighttime lows to where they're not getting back into the 50s anywhere soon. 80 on Sunday, 66 at nighttime. As we move into Monday, a little bit warmer there. We're getting into the 86, 87 degree weather. Wednesday, 80, and we do see a teeny bit chance after we get into these showers of a 58 degree night there. Looks like it's going to be a rainy week from Sunday all the way through at least Wednesday. Possibility that Thursday could change, but still listed in the forecast. Let's go ahead and jump ahead as we look to the 7th. We've got temperatures with sunshine returning on Friday of next week, and then we're going to stay warm all the way to the mid-month until May the 14th. We've got a mostly cloudy sky, small chances of showers mixed in there, but wow, temperatures are really starting to heat up and change a little bit. As we go into the more detailed forecast for today, and let's talk about that a second. For the most part, we've got a 40% chance as you're getting up, getting ready to head out, a 40% chance of showers through about 8 a.m., another hour and 20 minutes on that or so. And it's just a teeny bit chance of a shower after that. I wouldn't put much faith into it after that with a high of 76. Slight chance of rain tonight, and it's a slight 20% chance there. Low of 56 tomorrow, sunshine 83, and then Sunday rolls in with that 70% chance of showers there, to where we could get some severe weather. It's going to be gusty, 20-mile-an-hour gust as it rolls in on there, and still a 60% chance of rain come Monday. So it's going to be active. We'll be live when this stuff happens. We'll follow it street by street up to your doorstep to let you know kind of what's going on. Kind of important. We got some good mornings to say. Let's see here. Phil Garrison, how are you today? Leona Rogers, good morning. And TGIF, it is at that. Makes you feel good. Puts a little pep in your step when you think about that being here. JT Rigdon, good morning to you. Terry Ray is up. Good Friday morning to you as well. Tina Tanner. Say that fast. Almost sounds like Tina Turner if you say it too fast. Tina Tanner, good morning to you there. Yeah, I am no good at those little things of saying them fast. Working on it though. Good morning to Aaron Hillman. Bring on some showers. Good morning. Also, Polly Jackson is watching. Miss Sylvia Stewart, thank you. Sandy White, good morning, y'all. Leona Rogers, why does coffee always taste so much better on a Friday? You know, I have to agree with y'all that it does. I've had my 2 cups here. Angie gets mad with that cup. I don't know why. Just doesn't want to admit it. They're great cups. Who else is into this? Is my wife the only one, this Ray Dunn thing? I mean, all of a sudden I wake up one day and everything is Ray Dunn in my house, from towels to coffee mugs to pictures. It's like she's got this, I guess, affliction? I don't know. But every time she goes to town, she comes dragging something back with Ray Dunn written all over it. And apparently it's hard to get. I just overhear things is all I'm saying. Let's see. Good morning to Robin Miller. How are you doing? Also, prayers to everyone involved in the wreck from Robin Miller. Sean Pogue, how are you today? Good morning. Denise Covington is up. She's praying for that truck driver's family, and we appreciate that. They're going to need that. Good morning to Miss Kathy Jenkins, and Ruth K. is watching. Linda Jane is up in Kemper County. Donna White, how are you today? Good morning. Terry Carter is stirring a little bit today. And also from Clanton, Alabama, we say good morning to Kathy and Larry Epston. Glad to have y'all watching with us today. Also, Susan Sibley is up, Donna Roseman, and also Lorraine Coleman is stirring a little bit. And LaWanda Grantham says that they're collectible. I don't know how collectible them things can be because I got them everywhere. They're everywhere up in here. Ray Dunn, Ray Dunn, Ray Dunn. So maybe you're into that as well. It seems to be real popular. Along with the, and I hadn't shown anybody. We'll have to do some video of this. When me and Angie first got married umpteen dozen years ago, she gave me one piece of a Coca-Cola Village, and the next year she bought me one more. And then as we got a little bit more money, she could give me a couple of pieces. Well, at some point during our marriage, she's taken over my Coca-Cola Town, and it's hers now. and it's turned into, I think, New York City in there. And there's houses everywhere, and she's building platforms, and she's making snow, and I think she's adding a train now to my little town that used to be mine that has been, I think she foreclosed on it. Anyway, it's fun to collect things, but boy, has she got a habit when it comes to those kind of things. Just saying. Wanted to bring up, if your air conditioner is not working properly, see our friend Chuck. Chuck will help you out at Sanders Gas. They can come out and get you going if you need to have your air conditioner checked. Maybe it's not cooling quite right. If you want to take the precautionaries, $69.99, and it will save you money. They'll come out, clean your coils. It makes your air conditioner last a whole lot longer. You know, every time you cut grass, it blows stuff into them. Have them tuned up. If it needs Freon, they'll do that. And also, if your air conditioner quits, call them. They'll have same-day service because they understand of sitting alone in the hot air in the middle of May in Mississippi is not good. They'll take care of you. And, of course, when it comes to getting generators, they've got plenty of that. The Generac that you've heard so much about, you've seen these before. Turn on quickly and you've got power that quick. Very affordable. They can tell you exactly what size your home would need. Give them a call, 693-4054. If you need gas, they can come out and fill your tank up. All happens there at Sanders Gas. 22nd Avenue coming to Meridian is where they are. Again, thank you to everybody for watching. Harvey Cleveland is up also this morning. Does she collect mud pie items? I'm going to pretend I didn't say that because I don't know. She collects everything else. Have mercy. I really don't know about mud pie. I've never heard that one, but I'm sure that there's more to collecting than I know. It's funny to see what people collect and paintings and things of that nature, but those plates and things like that, boy, Ray Dunn, if you're just tuning in, I was talking about my wife's collecting habits of all of that. Well, on the way, I've got Candace all stirred up. She's ready for Friday. We've got some big news stories of everything that's happened over the last 24 hours. Did y'all see the news story? Let me find this. I want to show this, and this is one of the things that we'll talk about this morning when Candace gets here. Let me scroll down to this. Let's see here. Where is it? Where they're changing the university. Here it is. Here's the story right here. Let me show you this. This is the University of Oklahoma. They are getting rid of King and Queen from the homecoming court and going to change the names to Homecoming Royalty. I don't agree with all of this. You know, it's always the dream of a young lady to be homecoming queen. And they're going to take that away? That's not right. Two guys on the homecoming court. Gender neutral is what they're calling it. And again, that's the University of Oklahoma. Where is all this headed to, y'all? Worries me. It does. And I want to say thank you for this. Is that picture there in the background? Let me show you that one more time. Right there, that was the thing that I did on Paul Harvey. If you hadn't listened to that yet, If I Were the Devil, you can find it on the page there. And that's had a ton of views, and I appreciate everybody watching that. Strong, strong message. Hope you'll get to do that. But that's on my page. Just go back and look for If I Were the Devil. I think it's 4 or 5 days old on there. So check that out, and you'll be able to hear something pretty good there. Let's see here. Roadside Rescue will have a yard sale today and Saturday in Marion at the four-way stop. The proceeds go to helping the dogs in the area to a better life. Mother's Day raffle tickets are being sold, value of over $350. Go to the Facebook page and check that out. And that's Roadside Rescue. They do a lot for puppy dogs in the area that are left unwanted, mistreated, and they're having a yard sale to raise money to help with all this. So I hope you can do that. Again, that's going to be in Marion at the four-way stop on today and tomorrow. So a good deal there. We'll have more about that coming up. Oh, you know, LaWanda, I think you're stirring up things here. She's bringing up dishes and stuff like that of collections. And you don't need that. Ooh. Edna Riley, how in the world are you doing? I hadn't talked to you in forever. Glad to see you're up and at 'em. Today is Friday again. The bad weather will be on Sunday. Slight chance of rain through about 8 o'clock this morning. It looks good. Join me again at 8:30 as Candace will come in. We'll give you all the news and everything that's going on in the Meridian area right here in Scotty Ray's Weather. Thank y'all. We'll be back in just a little bit.
Scotty Ray's Weather is brought to you by